uh, asked in the first session. So we will discuss about that as well and the remaining functions. Is it fine, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? Okay, so let me share my screen now. Is it visible to everyone?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, right? Okay, fine. So let me, Garisha, so are you able to hear me?
Yes, Surya.
Yes, Girisha. Yes. So, Girisha, yesterday, like I will give you an example, like while using countf or countfs. Okay. Yesterday, if I wanted to, I want the number of counts. Okay, where the name is Prakash and the score is 12. Okay. So I need the number of counts over there. So for that, I give the criteria range. Okay. And I'm putting that it should be Prakash. And
Surya, in the countifs, we are taking first as a sum, right?
no, that is sum
Summary.
ifs.
Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah.
Fine, is it fine?
Yeah.
Okay. So here we are putting the number 12. Correct? So here you will get the value only 1 because we have name Prakash and 12 only for one set of row, right? So that is why we are getting the count as 1. Okay. So here if I copy the value and put it here, I'll get the count 2 here. Okay. Are you getting this?
Yes.
So this what we have discussed earlier, but the thing is, what Girisha asked yesterday, like if any of the column is satisfied, okay, let's say here I'm giving Pramod, okay, but here the count is coming 1, but the condition here is here it is 12 and here it is Prakash, right? So he wants that if any of the condition is satisfied, you should get the count, right, Girisha?
Yes.
Yes, but however getting 1. So how to do that? So that's what the question was. So let's try to do that. And this was an assignment for everyone. So has anyone tried this team? Anyone tried?
Surya,
Yes.
in the before starting the Prakash quotations,
Okay.
if you keep the brackets, like which bracket means beside P is there, right? Upper brackets.
Yeah, the quotation marks. Yes.
Yes. We have to give before the quotation start.
What I need to give? Yeah, tell me, Girisha.
Uh,
Sorry, Raghu.
yeah, shift quotation mark. Brackets. How will
Okay, you want the quotation mark like this, or brackets you want?
brackets?
Okay, you want like this? Yeah, like this.
No,
Okay, I got it. You are saying like this.
yeah, right.
Correct?
Okay. After that, Prakash,
Okay.
comma, give after quotation comma. After that, give same thing quotation Pramod.
Okay.
Quotation bracket close
Bracket close. Correct.
comma.
Okay, comma.
So you know.
Getting
Okay.
1. Okay. So
Okay.
let's try to do that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what I will do equal to countifs. Okay. Countif, otherwise countif. What I need, I'll put this range. Comma. Okay. 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 So here you can see Girisha. Here we have the two values 24. Correct.
Yes.
And I have one value where it is Prakash in this column. So it is giving 3. Is it fine, Grisha?
Okay, Surya.
What do you say?
Yes, you are correct.
No, I'm not correct, Grisha.
Hmm. I
Actually, what happened,
Hmm.
So actually, so in this case, yeah, it worked. But the thing is, there is another constraint over here. What is the constraint? Uh, Here, if you put Prakash here. Okay. So what is it happening? Actually, in this case, if I put 12, okay, the count should how much should be the count here? 24, 24. I give 12. So these are 2 columns and 1 Prakash, right? Right, Girisha.
yes.
So here 2 12s, okay, and plus 1 Prakash, right? So
Okay.
I'm getting 3. But the thing is, there is common. So I should not include that as well.
Oh.
Yes, am I right?
Yes.
Correct. So we need to ignore that as well. Correct. So, and the thing is, A union B.
Yes.
Yeah. A union B. A union B. Here we are considering it as union is nothing but OR function. Okay. So A union B is nothing but A plus B minus A intersection B. Okay. So first of all, intersection I can't put it. B. Okay. A intersection B. Right. So we have added the two things A plus B, but we have not subtracted A intersection B. That means the common part. Here the common part is those who are both Prakash and 12. Okay. So that one, how can you get it? So here if you write minus countfs, okay, if I give this range, comma, Prakash, comma, 12. Okay,
Yes.
that's the exact answer over here. Correct?
Okay.
Are you understanding?
Yes. You mean to say that A union B concept you should use, huh?
Exactly. Whenever there is an OR function, you need to use A union B concept. Okay. So A union B is nothing but mod A plus mod B minus A intersection B mod. A intersection B says which are the common things. Okay. So we need to disregard. Okay, we should not include them because what happened if you are including them, the Prakash and 12, this particular row is coming 2 times.
Yes.
That is why we should not include that. We should include that only once. For that, we need to subtract A intersection B. Everyone clear with this formula? Naveen, are you clear with this?
Yes, Surya.
Shaji,
Yes, Surya.
Umesh, Balaji?
Surya,
Yes, Raghu.
Yes.
1 second, go back.
Yes, fine.
The second one is after Prakash, you given Prakash or Pramod, that one, second one. Corresponding B.
Where were you asking? Tell me.
After
I have
Prakash.
given 12. The Pramod.
From Pramod only, that one.
Yes, Pramod. This one, Prakash. This is Prakash. This is Pramod.
Okay, can you repeat it, that condition count is how we got that two? Why
Okay.
we subtracted?
Yeah, I'll tell you. See. So now you tell me if you count this. Okay, I'm asking you which are the ones which are having Prakash in the first G column and H column 12. So what will you give the count?
Okay, Prakash and 12 is, it will come 3 actually.
3. Why 3?
Yeah, 12 is repeating twice. So
Exactly,
it will
correct.
come, okay.
Here it is repeating twice. We should not include that.
Right,
That is why I'm
duplicate is
subtracting.
coming.
Yes, that is why I'm subtracting. Is it
Okay.
fine now?
Fine.
Okay, so you are clear with this. Okay,
Yeah.
Girish, I think I have cleared your question, right? I have answered your question. Girisha?
One minute.
Yes.
Sorry, I was busy with other work.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I'm asking. So I think I have answered your question.
Yes.
Uh,
I got the concept here.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll go to the next function. What Sagar was telling, there was a clean function. I already told you, if you want to know the purpose of that, you need to write clean. Then look here. It is what is it says? Removes all non-printable characters from text. Okay. So I will tell you what are those non-printable characters. Okay. So let me give one example. Okay, so every number or every numeric number, they will have an ASCII code which computer can understand. Okay, a particular system will understand the ASCII characters, and it operates on ASCII characters, and it converts that ASCII numbers to the normal numeric numbers or the characters or spaces, whatever, and we see the result. Okay, the process, the computer understands only ASCII numbers. Okay, ASCII. Okay, so what is the ASCII number? If I write character is a function. Okay, it converts the ASCII number to a like the known character or a number. Let's see what character 1 says. If you write equal to character 1, it is space. If you write character 15, okay, if you write character 15, the symbol is coming like this. Can you see this?
Infinity, that is.
Some star kind of thing.
Alpha.
Okay. Write 18. You can see the right arrow.
Yeah.
So I think it's visible, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So this kind of symbols are coming. So what I'm saying, I will write one thing. Character 18 ampersand X. Okay. Ampersand character 20. Okay. So I'm getting like this. Okay. So these ones. Okay. These ones are the non-printable characters. Okay. These are the non-printable characters. So what clean does? Clean. If you use this particular function, this one, and you put bracket close, it will remove all those non-printable characters, and it will give you the remaining result. That is text. Have you got this?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, the clean function removes the non-printable characters. Okay. Here, so if you want any, like if I'll say A, the capital letter A, for that the ASCII code is 65. Okay. For that the ASCII code is 65. Let's see that. Character 65, right? Get the caps. Okay. And remember, if you add 32 to that, you will get small letter, small a. That means character 97, small a. Okay? Are you getting Raghu,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Amulya, Balaji?
Yeah.
Right? So these are the ASCII numbers. And for space, it is 32. Okay?
But Surya, when you gave character of 1, then also it is showing split,
Yeah,
right?
so yes, I need to know the difference. Actually, it's not taking out something else, I don't know. But actually, the space is 32. In C, C++, wherever you use, the space is, the ASCII value is 32.
Surya?
Yes.
These all are predefined, right? Means 97.
Yes,
everything.
right. These are all predefined, correct.
How you means how many are there like this?
There will be many. I don't remember. Actually, I don't know the exact number.
Okay.
But so every character, every symbol will have an ASCII character.
But where will use this only? Means
Actually, we can use the like in C. We are in C. I have used that like using ASCII numbers. Okay.
okay.
But here I don't know where can we use. This is one of the examples I'm giving. If you get these kind of symbols, you cannot print this kind of symbols, right? In keyboard, these kind of symbols are not there. Correct.
Yeah.
But if you want to write a text like this, then in that case you need to use ASCII code.
Do you have a list of this? Yes.
I don't have a list of this. I just, if you want, yeah, I can give you. It will be available in Google.
Yeah, fine,
Yes.
fine. Okay.
So that is the only thing. Okay. So, right, we can generate these kind of things, which normally if you use keyboard, you won't be able to. Correct.
Yeah, thanks.
So that is what the thing. So this is the clean function. Clean removes the non-printable characters. Okay. Is it fine? Yeah. So next thing is the VLOOKUP functions. Okay. So the VLOOKUP function is something like that. It's something like the find function. In find function, if I want what is the score associated with Prakash. Then you will do, what will you do? You will write Control F. Okay. You will search for Prakash. And the corresponding value will see 12. Okay. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes. So this is the thing. But here I can see directly Prakash over here. If you have hundreds of, like thousands of lakhs of data, okay, is it easy for you to, again, each and every time you need Control F and again search for the word and find the corresponding word? Is it feasible for you? No. Am I right?
Yeah.
Correct. So in that case, it's not feasible. So you cannot go each and every time to search for a particular number and to get the corresponding score. It might be anything. Okay. So that is why it is very difficult to use find function. So there is a lookup function or VLOOKUP function. Okay. VLOOKUP function uses vertically. Okay. And the HLOOKUP functions go horizontally. That's the difference. I'll just tell you the VLOOKUP function. Similarly, you need to type VLOOKUP. Once you write VLOOKUP, it is saying looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table and then returns a value in the same row from a column you specify. By default, the table must be sorted in ascending order. Okay? By default, the table must be sorted in ascending order. Okay, so let's see if I want what is the score corresponding to Prakash. How can I do that? Okay, VLOOKUP. Okay, you need to check for the lookup value. I need corresponding to Prakash, so that is why I'm clicking there. Okay, so give comma. Okay, then you need to specify the range where the value is present. Like here it is, in this particular row it is present. Comma, you want the score, right? You want the score. The score means it will be available in which column? This is the first column and it is the second column. Okay, so you will give two.
Surya, you have to select H column also, right? In the
Yeah,
G level.
both columns.
Yes, I need to select. Yes, I need to search that. Thanks for reminding. Yeah. So you need to take the entire table. Otherwise, you won't be able to find this particular thing. Thanks, Raghu.
Yeah, no.
Yes. So G1. Okay. So you are selecting this now. When you are putting, there is 1 or 0. You can put either 1 or either 0. Okay. So approximate match. If you want really the entire name should be Prakash, then you should give 0. If you want PRA as well or PRAK as well, then you need to put 1, approximate match. Okay. So, but by default, we choose 0.
Yeah. For example, if it is in caps or small letters, the name will be same, right? So
Yeah.
approximate match or exact match.
Yes. So in that case, you have to look at your condition, what you want accordingly. But most of the cases we go for 0. And by default, if you don't take as well, if you leave this 0 as well, it will take it as 0. Okay. So now so it is returning 12. Correct. So I'm getting the corresponding score. Okay. So let's revisit the formula once again. Again, I'm writing VLOOKUP. Okay. I want the corresponding value, corresponding score to promote. Okay, or promote. So I'll just click down this cell. Okay. I need the value will be in this range. Okay, comma. The score is available in the first and second column. So I'll write it as 0. Both. If you give, sorry, I have not given comma. Okay, you need to put comma. Okay, if you are leaving like that, it is giving 0. Okay, you need to put comma. If you put comma, if nothing is there, it will take it as 0 value. Okay, then it will print the value. Promote. Promote here. So here the value you are getting is 12. One thing you observe here. Okay, so here the value here 12. Here also promote is there, but the value is 24. Correct, but it is giving the first row. Okay, so always you need to remember that. Always you need to remember if there is a duplicates. Okay, if there is any duplicates, it will take the only first row. Is it fine, Balaji?
Yeah, correct.
Yes, correct. It will take the first one. If I put 36 over here, the value answer will be 36 over here. It is taking the first one. It won't be. It won't give the second result. Okay, it gives the first result only. Correct. Next thing, I want. Let's say the score. Okay, I want the grade corresponding to name. Okay, do you look up? Okay, can anyone try, or should I write to get the grade over here? Amulya?
You can take the
Yeah, to balance.
name only.
Okay, name. Correct.
And then table should be like from grade to score. If you want only grade and name table, that means F and G column.
Okay, I should drag this like this.
Yeah.
First I will select this. Okay.
No. Yeah, first you need to select that one.
Okay.
For table array, you need to select both the columns.
Correct.
Then the column index is 1.
Okay.
Then range, that range is 0 or 1, whichever you want.
Yes. So what should be the result over here?
We'll give some. It should be A. Let's see what will it shows.
Okay, Raghu.
Yeah, it will show, we are looking G11 value and for this thing. It won't come.
Because whatever
Yeah,
you are searching,
actually,
it should be right side, left side.
yeah, yeah. But in the VLOOKUP, we have one rule. Whatever the value has to be there, lookup value has to be there of the right side of the table.
Yes.
Means, see here we are checking G11, right? Based on this table.
Yes, you're Raghu. You're absolutely right. I just wanted to check that. Okay, you're absolutely correct. The lookup value, if you want anything, that should be on the right side. Okay, even you put over here -1.
Yeah, it won't work.
Okay, so
Yeah.
this is an error. This is an error. So always you need to put positive value over here. And the another point that you need to remember is that the one that you want to search. Okay, if I'm searching for Prakash. Okay, so that is available in the second column, right? But it should not be. We should start from here, and we should drag like this. To get the grade score, what will I do? For that, I'll copy this content over here, Control C, and I will put it here so that it will be on the right side, okay, of the lookup value. And the lookup value I will now equal to VLOOKUP. I'll put it here, Prakash. I'll drag the entire column like this. I have selected the range. I want the grade, which is on the right side of the lookup column, correct? Now, then I will give, this is the 1, 2, 3. Third column, so I'll give 3, 0. You're getting it. Correct, Balaji?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Because I was about to tell this one, but Raghu told that one, that's why.
Yeah, no problem. Ram Prabhu, are you okay with this formula? Shanti, are you okay with this? Yeah. Yes, right. So have you understood this?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Kunal?
Is there?
Okay. Dinesh? Rahul? Okay. Tulsi?
Okay.
Uh, no need to. That's okay. They are with production. That is why they are not looking into this. So that's not a problem. Okay. So you have understood this, right? So at any point, if you have any doubt, just ask me. So the important.
I have one question.
Yes. Tell me.
As you told earlier, if the duplicates are there, it will take the first value. For
Correct.
example, it shown promote. If you fix that column also, I mean cell also, it will take the first one. Or
I didn't get your question.
if you fix that column, for example, you have as G11. If you fix that G11, then also it will take the first one, or how it will work?
The first one only. If you want, if I put Prakash over here, you're saying, right?
Yeah.
It will always look for the
Yes.
first one only, always. Okay. Okay. You are looking for this. Okay.
Okay.
So always first one.
For example, if you want to know the G13, and if you fix that, I mean using the dollar sign, then also it will take the first one.
Yes, first one only.
Okay, so yeah.
Look for the, because the thing is it should be having some unique thing. Okay, unique thing. Prakash cannot have two scores at a time. So the data need to be like that. Okay, it should be unique kind of thing.
Okay, so yeah. Thank you.
You got this one right.
Yeah.
So this is VLOOKUP. So the important concepts to remember here is that in VLOOKUP function you are looking for a value which is in column wise. Okay. The second thing, the lookup value. That means lookup value in the sense the number, the name or whatever maybe that you are searching for. Okay. Like here I was looking for Prakash. I was trying to get the grade. Okay. So here, so the Prakash, I was looking for Prakash. So first step will be it should be always on the top left. Okay. So that means it should be the first column always. Okay. And the value which you look for should be in the third. Okay. Third, like the right to the first column. Okay. And the column index number will be, it will start from here 1 and then 2, 3 like this. Is it fine?
Yeah.
Correct. So what I will do, this is VLOOKUP function. Now I'll just copy this. Okay, I'll just copy this. I'll go to next sheet. Paste special value transpose. Okay. In VLOOKUP function, the values were column wise, and here I wanted to look the value column horizontally. Okay. So here the same thing. I want the score. So I'll put here Swati. I will choose this entire row. Okay. Comma. I want the score. I want the grade, like let's say grade. Then it be how much I should give. What should be the row index or column index number here?
Yeah, I think 3.
Correct, 3, because Swati, the row it is having, it should consider as 1. Then the second, and it is third. Comma 0. What happened here? Let me look.
No, but when it was the HLOOKUP, it was showing column index, right?
No, I wrote VLOOKUP. I should write HLOOKUP. Okay. So that is what the difference is. This is completely opposite of VLOOKUP. Okay. Have you understood? Raghu?
Yeah.
Dhanashri, are you? So, are you able to understand this formula? Okay. Anyone else who is having any doubt on VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP? Suparnachanda? Are you there? Satya?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, so you okay. So you have no doubt on this, right? Okay, fine. So we'll move to the, if you have any doubt, just ask me. I don't have any problem. So this is the way, is this the opposite? The same way, the value we are looking for should be in the first row, and the value which you are looking for, okay, that should be bottom, that should be at the bottom, okay. Wherever if you consider, uh, let's say the score again is here, there won't be, if I increase this lanes to 9, okay, and I'm looking for same grade, the result will not affect. It's not that the grade should be at the bottom, okay, it can be middle of the anywhere, okay. So this is the HLOOKUP formula. So the importance is something like this. Here it's a replica where you are finding for each and every name, and you are finding the score, which is very difficult. And if you have the big list of data, then you need to use VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP to get the data, like what are the scores, okay. So what is the address and all those things, okay. As it is a smaller database, it is easy to tell what is a corresponding number, but in a huge database, it is very difficult to tell. Okay, so that is VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Now, another thing, what happened here? Here, if I use VLOOKUP, it is throwing an error, right? Correct? It is throwing me an error, right?
Yes.
Yes, but you want to avoid. So how can you do that? If error formula, value, this is the value which I'm giving. So this is the value if error, I need to put 0 over there. Okay. I think you are not understood. I'm explaining once again. Equal to if error. Okay. So see, returns value if error, if expression is an error and the value of the expression itself otherwise. Okay, that means if you want, if while using the functions formulas, if you are getting error and you want to replace that error, you don't want to put it as error, that means hash and by a something like that, and you want to put replace that with some text, the number is missing or something like that, then you need to use if error function. Okay, so here instead of over here, I can write the formula is wrong because I used VLOOKUP function here. Okay, if I use VLOOKUP, I'll get the answer. If I use VLOOKUP, it says the formula is wrong. Are you getting?
Yes.
Raghu,
Yes.
Girisha,
Yes, Surya.
Ganesh,
Yes.
so Tulsi,
Yes, Surya.
then Mahesh, Suresh, Nagraj.
Yes.
So you understood this formula, right? So that is if error formula. Okay. So we'll go to the next one. What is that? I need to check. Offset. Okay. Offset function. Okay. Returns a reference to a range that is a given number of rows and columns from a given reference. I'll give an example of this. This particular, let's say 24. I want this value, let's say. Okay, you can see this, right? Let's say I'll put like, okay, I want this number. The I6 number, I6. The name is Prakash right there. I want that. Okay, how can I do that? Okay, give comma. If you go like it's Prakash, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you need to move on left side 5 times, like right 5 cells. So that is why column wise we have 5, and the row wise you need to go 1 up. Correct. 1 up means you need to go -1. Okay. And you want to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
-5.
Yes, this is the offset function. Okay. If I give, I will give an example. I'm selecting. Okay.
Deepali, Maestro Deepali.
Okay, I'll give this example. Let's say, Amulya, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm selecting this one. Okay. I'm selecting this one. Just tell me what will the answer over here. 2.
It will be
Blank.
A. Is it?
Let's see that. Okay. Why? I'll tell
B.
you.
Okay.
While because Pramod is here. 2 means 1, 2. Correct.
Yeah.
3. 1.
3 columns. B.
Correct.
Yeah, fine.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give another example. Surya. Yeah. I'll give it to, let's say, find out. Sai Shankar. Are you there? I think he is not there. Pratibha? Okay, she is also not there. John Paul?
He's not there.
Okay, very good. Okay. Dinesh?
Hello.
Yes, Dinesh Kumar.
Yeah, show me that Excel
Yes,
sheet.
yes.
It will be blank.
-4, -2.
Yes. Blank will be blank. -4 rows. It has to go up 0.
Okay, it will give you 0. Okay.
0.
Okay. If I put 4 comma, again try.
So 1, 2, 3. 24 I guess. Not 24. 36.
Again it will be blank.
No, 0 only. 4 rows.
4 rows.
It's
No?
going down.
You have to start it from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Okay. If I put 3 now, then it will be
36.
correct. You have understood this, right? The offset function.
Yes, Surya.
It is very easy to understand. Offset the number, the active cell, comma row, comma column. Okay. So that is what the offset function is. Okay. Then we'll go to the concatenate function. That is very simple. Okay. Here I want the name with score. Okay. I will write equal to this particular number. I will write ampersand. Okay. 12. Okay. If I give, I will get the value as Prakash 12. Correct. The same way you can do it like this. Concatenate. I have written the formula wrong. I'll just choose this one. Right. That 12. Is it fine? Is it fine?
Yeah.
Correct. So ampersand you can use concatenate and as well as you can use concatenate function to concatenate the text. Okay. Is it okay? Is it fine, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the concatenate function. Let me try. Okay. Just for a moment. somebody. Shiva, are you there? It's not. Guru? Okay, Shiva. Arunima? Okay, she is also not there. Okay. Santosh?
Surya, tell me.
Yes, Surya. Yeah. So you just need to tell me. I need to concatenate these 4 columns. Okay, these 4 columns. Okay. Just tell me
Yeah.
the formula of it.
Just give the equal sign. Select.
Yes.
Yes. And give ampersand sign. And select the next cell and give the ampersand. Same thing you can give for all.
Yeah. This.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Or else you
Yeah.
can give concatenate function.
Okay.
Concatenate. Open the bracket and give first character, first cell, and give comma. Yeah, same.
That's correct. Okay. So
Yeah.
this is the entire concatenate function. Either you can use ampersand or you can use concatenate. Okay.
Yes.
That is the way to do it. Okay. And once you do this, this will be a text. If you are using concatenate function, this one will be a text. Okay. Then I think someone has. Yeah. Santosh, well done. Actually, you got one.
Thanks, Surya. And one more thing
Yes.
regarding the VLOOKUP negative function you are using, no? VLOOKUP
Yeah.
looking on left side.
Yes.
For that, there is one more combination function is there, index and match. That is
Yes,
figure.
index and match. Yeah.
Yeah,
So I
frequently
was
asking
asked. Yes.
question.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. So we'll discuss about it. Actually, I didn't mention that in the subject. We'll discuss about induction function. Okay? I will remember this. Okay.
Yeah, instead of copying the entire column and pasting it right side,
Yeah.
we are supposed to use index and match, I think.
That is super.
Yeah.
Solution, like another solution. Can you will you be able to explain all those index functions in the next session?
Yeah. Once you complete the giving training on index and match function, I will explain about the negative VLOOKUP function. Yeah.
Negative yellow function. Okay, I also
Yes.
don't know that. I will try to learn from you.
Yeah.
That's a good one, Santosh. And will you be able to train index as well?
Yes, I think your syllabus covering the index and match function, I think.
No, I have not put that in there. Actually, I will link to it. This is not limited to this actually. Okay,
Okay.
we'll do
Okay.
many things. But okay, so it will be better as you have suggested. Will you be able to index in the next session?
Yeah, I will explain the negative VLOOKUP next function.
Okay,
Next
in negative
class.
we'll look up and go for index as well.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
so the next session will be yours,
Yeah, sure.
Santosh.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done, Santosh. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, so next session you'll be giving index and negative VLOOKUP. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
thanks, Santosh. Yeah, so we'll go to the next section. Left, mid, right, mid, and length. Okay. Okay. So we'll go to the next function. If you want, here returns the specified number of characters from the start of the text string. If I want in Prakash, I want the first 4 digits, first 4 characters. What should I do? I'll click on this text. Okay. I'll just write 4 over here. 4. Okay. That's it. I'm done. So is it easy? This is the left function, nothing else. Okay. Is it fine?
Yeah.
Yes. Similarly, if you want the last 4 characters, then you need to write dash, comma, 4. Is it fine? Is it fine? So let me give. Akshata? Are you there? It's not there. Shaji?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shaji. Now you tell me. Uh, I need the first three letters of Surya. Okay.
Okay.
Just tell me how to do that.
Is equal to
Is equal to.
left. Select the cell which contains name Surya,
Super.
comma 3.
Super. Very good. Very good, Shaji. Very good. Yeah. So this is the one that you need to do. If you want the first three letters, you need to use left. If you want the last three letters, then you need to use
Right.
right. Correct. Now, if you want in between, okay, if you want in between characters, then how can you do that? That you can do using bit function. Equal to written in the characters from the middle of a text string, given a starting position and length. Okay. So if I want the name is Swati, and there I want the third and fourth letter. Okay. If I want the third and fourth letter, how can I do that? Okay. So that's what the question. So how can I do that? I'll click on mid. Yes. Yes. Anyone is telling? So I'll click on Swati, comma, I want the third and fourth letter. That means I will give 3. Okay, I will give 3, comma, 2. Need the second number as well. So number of characters will be 2. Third and fourth means 2 letters. I'm getting 80. Is it okay? Is it okay, Grisha?
Yes, Surya.
Raghu?
Yes, sir.
Balaji?
Yes, Surya.
Yes. Similarly, I'll give another example. Let's see. So, Shashikant? Shashikant, are you there? Okay, then. Okay, let's pick another one. Shanti? Shanti, are you there? Nagraj? Okay. Okay, great. Then give it to Pratibha. Then not Sweta. Sweta is also not there. Actually, I'm calling the numbers who are not there. Fine. Anyone can like.
Hello, Surya.
Who's this?
Pratibha.
Yes, Pratibha. Yes.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, actually, okay. So actually, I was discussing about the mid function.
Yeah, I was there.
Yes, you are there, right? Oh, fine. Okay. So I need in K6 column, the name is Pramod, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want the third, fourth, and fifth letter of that particular character.
Okay. You can use mid function equal to mid, and you can give select the text,
Okay.
comma, then third 3, then number of characters would be 3. Enter.
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah.
So this is the mid function. So I think everyone understood, I believe. Okay. So this is the mid function. Okay. Then we have length function. Okay. Length.
Surya,
Yes. Dhanshri.
I'm Amulya.
Okay, Amulya. Yes, tell me, Amulya.
Yeah, see, what if you select left function or right function with, means if you select any cell from grade,
Okay.
it contains only A, B, single digit, right?
Yes.
What will happen if you select that one? Only one digit it will display.
Okay. So that's a good question. Let me try that. Okay. Equal to. I'll select this number. Okay. I will give 2. Okay. Sorry. You are asking about left right function, right?
Yeah, any of the function, left, right, or mid.
Okay. 2, sorry. Let's see what happens. It's giving the same. Okay.
Okay.
If I give whatever it may be, it is giving the same, right? If I give beta as well, it will give A. Okay, as it is a single character.
Okay.
Okay, that's a good question. Okay,
Okay.
so we need to remember that. So correct. The same way, let's say it the same. We'll check the what will happen. We'll see. Right? Okay. I'll click this. I'll write 6. Nothing is there. That is not. It's not printing anything. Okay. Similarly, wait, only numeric value. It should be positive. Okay. Let me give 0. Even you are giving though name is Swati, I have started from 5. I'm giving 0. That means it is not taking anything. So that is why I'm not getting anything over here. Okay. If you're giving 0, it will not return anything. Is it fine? Is it fine, Amulya?
Yeah.
Yes.
Fine.
Yes. Now go to the length. Length is nothing but it gives the length of that particular character. Okay, particular text. Okay. Click on name. What should be the answer over there?
4.
4. Okay. So when it will be useful, so sometimes what happens like there will be, I will have written name over here. Okay, so equal to length. What will be the answer?
5.
5. But the characters are 4. How come it is 5?
Space, one space.
Yes, I have given one space. I unknowingly have given one space over there. Okay, so you will be able to identify whether there are any spaces or not, something like that. Okay, so this will be useful for that. Okay, so this is the length function. Okay, so actually, so I believe that's all for today. Okay, so in this class we have discussed about the lookup functions. VLOOKUP and lookup. There is another function called lookup, so which I'm going to explain in the next session. Okay, lookup, and Santosh will be giving you the training on index and the negative VLOOKUP function. Okay, so that will be interesting, I believe. And today also we have discussed about offset function. Okay, concatenate. Yes, Grisha, you are saying something.
No, sir. Carry on.
Okay, so these are the things that we have discussed. So HLOOKUP function, that is horizontal lookup. VLOOKUP, there is vertical lookup, and offset function is to if you wanted to know what is if you are having an active cell. So what is after the 2 rows and third column, something like that. If you want to know the value of the particular cell, then you use offset. Concatenate is to combine the 2 text, and left it gives the first 4 characters or first 5 characters of a particular text, and right the last 4 characters or 3 characters, like that. Mid function, where you are extracting the middle of the characters, and length. len function returns the length of the character, length of the text. So that's all for today. And another thing, actually, so if you have recorded the session, who has recorded, please send it across to everyone, yesterday's and today's as well. So I think you have recorded the session, right?
Yeah.
Yes, right. Okay, Dinesh, you just send me yesterday's session and today's session as well to everyone. It will be, if you are sending it to everyone, that will be great. Okay. Is it everyone? Is it fine, everyone?
Yeah, keep it in some common folder we can
Yes.
access from
Yes. So Dinesh, just send the location as well.
So yeah, I don't have a stage session. I did not record from the
Okay.
starting.
So okay. So who has recorded this one? Anyone who has recorded?
Yesterday's one I have, Surya.
You have, right? Okay, Raghu, you just share that with everyone. Okay. And Dinesh, you today you have recorded, right?
Yes, today's session I had.
Okay, so we have the entire one, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you can share the path. And the next thing is actually, so there is an attendance that need to be taken. Okay, so I'll be sending you the Excel sheet and just put yes or no whether you have attended the session or not yesterday and today. Okay, so we'll continue to do like that. And if you're having any extra formulas that you want to know, please let us know, because I also don't know many functions like as Santosh is going to explain the negative VLOOKUP function, which I really don't know, and that will be helpful. So we'll come across many more such formulas, and that will be interesting as well. So I need your active participation, and let us know the important formulas which are using you are using in day-to-day life. Is it fine, everyone?
So Surya.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thanks for your patience listening. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Surya.
Thanks. Bye.
Thanks, Surya.
Yeah. Thank you.